Hello and welcome to Exactly What It Sounds Like Theatre. I'm J. Gordon Poppycock. This week's film is an emotional story of the challenges still faced by the embattled Negro population of South Africa in the wake of the tragic passing of former President and human rights advocate Nelson Mandela. Written, directed by, and starring reclusive Nigerian expatriate Dr. Malik Amir, this film tells the tale of a nation in transition, still stung by the visceral ache of the loss of its champion, while knowing full well that the best days are yet to come. Presented without commercial interruption by Mountain Dew Voltage, the Independent Film Network and Dr. Malik Amir proudly present Kicked in the Nuts Twice.
Go along. Lisa is so hot. I love Lisa.
Didn't you just hit her?
I didn't hit her. That's bullshit. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark.
Johnny, there's something you need to know. Lisa is very beautiful and we've been sleeping together.
Everybody betray me.
You're tearing me apart!
Truly a heartwarming film indeed. Tune in next week as we preview a tale of one man's desperate struggle against addiction. No smoking.
Oh, go right in the Francis Bacon bits! Oh, it hurts so much! Oh, Mum! Oh, Mum, I need you! Oh, right in the bollocks! Oh, it hurts right in the meat into veg! Oh, kill me now! By Jove! Oh, it's over! Oh, Petunia, avenge me! Oh.
Thank you.